Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update CodeQL alerts in GitHub for better security coverage, full guide step by step clearly. To update CodeQL alerts in GitHub for better security coverage, start by navigating to your repository on GitHub. In the repository, click on the Security tab located in the menu. Next, select Code Scanning Alerts from the drop-down options. You will see a list of existing CodeQL alerts that have been identified in your project. Review the alerts carefully to understand the security issues present in your code. For each alert, click on the alert title to view detailed information about the vulnerability. Examine the description, location, and severity of the alert provided. If a fix is available, GitHub may suggest remediation steps within the alert details. Incorporate the suggested code changes directly into your repository as required. Once you believe you've resolved the issue, return to the Code Scanning Alerts page. To verify your updates, select the Reanalyze option to trigger a new CodeQL analysis. Wait for the analysis to complete, which may take a few moments. Refresh the Alerts page to see the results of the latest scan. Check to see if the previously flagged alerts have been marked as resolved. If there are still unresolved alerts, continue to review the remaining issues. Repeat the process of fixing, reanalyzing, and confirming until all alerts are addressed. Make sure to regularly monitor your repository for new CodeQL alerts. Staying proactive will enhance your project's overall security and integrity. Finally, consider integrating CodeQL scans into your continuous integration workflow for automated checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.